Hi everybody, time for a quick look inside Vancouver Public Schools. I'm Nick Vole. Students returning to the Welding and Fabrication Lab at Fort Vancouver High School will see a lot of changes when they return to class thanks to some dedicated staff. Fort Vancouver's Welding and Fabrication Lab is the only space of its kind in the district, and it looks a lot different than it did just a few years ago when Paul Minoski took over the program. His first priority was to modernize the shop and curriculum.
It took a lot of work with the kids. It took a lot of time.
They brought in professionals from industry to implement lean techniques, which improve efficiency and simulate real work environments. They added a partnership with Boeing to provide curriculum and possible pathways into manufacturing after graduation.
They have an understanding of how to work, all right, how to work with their hands and how to actually show up every day, and what a manufacturing shop's supposed to look like.
The new space features welding stations, of course.
We have a bunch of cool stuff to play with, and these are a bunch of stuff that you can learn. And on top of that, we get to do everything from cut steel, cut metal, make a lot of fire.
But it also has virtual welders, CNC machines, lathes, and more. Students can also earn math credit because of the complicated geometry used in plasma cutting.
You know, you've got your X, Y, and Z axis here for the height of the plasma cutter, and then moving it, in the different directions here before you would go and cut.
Teacher Eric Gunderson has helped with the improvements and has noticed a shift.
You know, when we were going through this transition and the doors open at night as we're in here still working, and students walk by and say, hey, can I come in and continue to work? Like, it's a place that they want to be. I feel like they have some pride and ownership in the transition, so it's fun to see.
He's excited about the doors the program can help open for students.
With, malls shutting down and all those kind of entry-level, no skills necessary jobs kind of going away, with online stuff really taking over. You need a skill, you need something that you can do and contribute. So I think this is a great place to learn the skills necessary to be able to be trainable by an employer.
The welding and fabrication program at Fort and the district's other magnet programs are all available for signups after the holiday break, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that. In the meantime, you can keep up with the district on social media at Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Vole.